Hey, tell me what's poppin'?
Ray's Kitchen or nothing.
So today we're gonna be celebrating me buying a new grill, and in that, since we're doing that, you know, we have to have our ribs on deck, our Seagrams right with it, our lovely turkey wings, and nice little hamburgers, and we got some red snapper fish. Our money was not plenty, so we just bought the tail.
Yeah.
But you know, there's nothing like catfish. And you know, there's nothing that says barbecue without grilled corn.
Yes, sir.
So, welcome to Ray's Kitchen. And remember, it's Ray's Kitchen or what? Who they win? See that? Beautiful. See that? See how it's juicy? Nice and juicy. Stop playing. Can you tell I'm enjoying my grill already? Let me go and get a knife. Medium well, but we want it to be well done. But medium well, nice and juicy. See? Nice and juicy. So we have to taste our creation after all. How they cook? How they cook? See that? My friends like their sorry, excuse my language, but my friends do like their stuff nice and crispy. So we're just gonna let it crisp a little bit. I'm gonna let it crisp a little bit, but right now, a lovely medium well. But we're gonna get it to well done. With fat. This is good. Good. Very good. Very good. On low. The heat, want that to crisp a little bit more. We'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some pepper sauce and put on it, and it's gonna be lovely. So right here we have our nice pepper sauce that we fried to perfection. We're just gonna rub it on our turkey. And the boys, what are the boys doing? Shouting in my house while playing, I think, FIFA. Right now, that's what we're doing.
You got that well done.
So you see how our turkey now looks? See that?
Damn.
Looking nice and scrumptious. So we're just gonna let that pepper sauce enter its body.
Hey, that spice up.
Spice up.
That's only quite quick.
That is like a bow.
Oh, that's cheesy. I don't want to shoot.
Y'all
You nigga come collect controller.
I can beat all of you guys, first of all. Don't even fucking play. Like,
Just not put the catfish in the bag, bro.
come on, I thought I go you. I can beat every single one of you. When was Ray's Kitchen founded?
2020 or 2021?
2021. The first day I started Ray's Kitchen, what party was it?
What party? Was it a party? No, it wasn't a pool party. It was one of Indian party, yes.
No, it was not.
Crown, the crown party.
No, it's not. was a wavy party. How old is Ray's kitchen?
3 years.
No, 5 years.
4 years. If it's 20,
No, 4 years.
That's
4 years.
It's about to be 4 years next month.
Hey.
So it's still
What
3.
you doing? Why you making free food for?
Before? It's still 3, I'm right.
Why did I start Ray's kitchen?
Why? Because you love to cook.
Because you always want to start your own cooking business.
Because I was a broke college student. Damn, you guys don't even know me. How old am I?
You are 38.
You are 80 years old.
You are all of you are
Waiting for the video, waiting for the video. David, no.
all of you have failed. All of you have failed.
Okay.
You said 24, right? All of you have failed. Every time you never chop since morning. Calm it down.
Let me say, you can space.
See our beautiful turkey. Ray's Kitchen's turkey. Otayeri. You see
As you can
that?
see, my defender cannot compete, bro. It's actually kind of.
See that?
I've been buying with this.
Otayeri. Italian. We are all actually here. Catfish.
Yup.
We got the main character.
We know what
That's what we're gonna do. Close it on up. And I'll be right back later. So me, I'm just here, I'm still cooking. They've had ribs, they've had turkey, they've had burgers, and now I'm making the main character of the show, the dish, and they kept me going, oh, really? I'm hungry, really? I'm hungry. The pepper sauce I made for the fish, they said that it's enough for them to chop rice. So now, guess what we're doing? We're cooking rice. As per say, Ray's Kitchen. As per say, yeah, the boom and be. I got represent for the boys. You know, the boys, they got my heart. So, what my boys want, my boys get. Even though they used to do like, but they are my. So 7 pies for rice, right? Ah! This stew is so spicy, so if you want more, put more. That's why it's so tasty.
Just another banger.
Pretty drops. Now let me go and get the star of this freaking show.
Waiting on the catfish to pull off, you know. By the way, y'all, don't be a catfish, don't have a catfish. And we got catfish.
The star of the show is
We got the Ejala fish right now.
Torime. know this one. It's sweet mango. We are finally
Oh, we got you on cam, twin. Oh, get out of here. Yo. Get up here. On my mama, bro. On my mama, bro. On 4K.
Guys, anyways, we have our rice here with our droplet of pepper and we have our fish. Don't mind that it is burnt. The TOS gonna catch fire.
Yeah.
But remember, it's very sketchy on one!
Nothing!
Very sketchy on one! All of you now, when you come up to now, go let's go.
Reduce their food.
Kindly, the first one goes to God.
Yes.
Now you know what you want.
Oh yeah.
They don't spoil my treadmill. Carol, they don't spoil my treadmill. You fucking big back. See these boys.
Can't play anything, it's not
These
connected.
FFO boys. See the fish. Damn. Che, if I should shake back for you, you think I go cash? If I shake back for you, you think I go cash?
No, you go, no,
I'm the only customer that always right.
The customer is always right.
I say, because you don't change your lifestyle, your head don't correct. Panu de shishimba, really.